Okay, just a quick update video of where I'm at on the R.Duck Locomotive Works GP-9 diesel locomotive build. I've got the rolling chassis done, the engine, some other components, alternator. These are just sitting mocked up for the moment where they'll be. Forward components. Did a little research into the alternator, tried to figure out what color it would be, and this is a pretty bright version of what it might have been from a photograph I pulled up on the internet. Kind of a tan with some red ends to it. Into the shop. The 464 Hudson, still faithfully taking up shelf space. Working on the engine bay sides right now. Doors. The GP-9 was a bit of a double ender, so the front will look similar to the back. Some piles of stuff. I hand paint all these locomotives, so fairly decent supply of paintbrushes. The laser cut sheets are dwindling. I'm down to just one last sheet there that's got a few pieces on it. Everything else has been released and put into a box. There's some cab pieces over there, and then some more top pieces and ventilation. That's where we're at on the R.Duck Locomotive Works GP-9 version 2022. Here at the switch yard. Thanks for watching.